Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm coming to you with an unboxing and a reveal. So if you're interested in seeing what I got today in my Willabee and Ward box, stick around. Okay, the box comes like it normally does, and they always keep it with this nice color tissue paper with their stuff on it. It comes with a jewelry care instruction book, like always. And here we come with the bracelet, guys. Okay, guys, here is the bracelet unboxed. It's for the month of November. And then we'll go along the bracelet at the charms. Now, here's a little pilgrim hat. That bead is a beautiful color orange. And here's another little cute charm with the orange colors. But I like that. That's a piece of sweet potato pie or quote-unquote pumpkin pie, whichever you like to call it. Beautiful little flower. Then there's a fall leaf. Oh, that's like a basket. Here is a feather, for the Indians for Thanksgiving. Then you have another beautiful flower, another bead, and then Happy Thanksgiving charm. Then we go here. That is, I can't tell what that is. It's a flower. And then we have another flower and then a pumpkin. Then there's a little turkey, which I think is cute. And then we have a leaf and another flower. Now, I love their charm bracelets and their details for the month. They always have the charms so cute to go with that particular month. So, guys, if you're interested in looking at Willabee and Ward's items, they have other kinds of bracelets. They have necklaces. They have door wreaths. They have the flags that you put outside in your yard or hang on the flagpole connected to your house. You know, the ones that say Easter, fall, or Thanksgiving. They have those, guys. So if you're interested in knowing anything about Willabee and Ward, there's a link down below in the description that you can click on to go to their website to find out about anything about Willabee and Ward. And so, guys, if you like the content of my videos, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and share. Share these videos, guys. I love to read your comments. I try to respond back as soon as possible. And also, guys, subscribe to my channel. If you're not already a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, we would love to have you here. So click that subscribe button down below. And also, guys, there's a bell next to it. That's a notification bell. Click that bell twice. And that bell will let you know each and every time your girl uploads a video. Yes, you know I do videos. And also follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed below on the screen and also down below in the description. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.